In this video, we're going to make sure you know exactly how to put in a bobbin in a drop-in bobbin machine. And you can only do it one way. So let's go ahead and take a look at how it's supposed to be done. First off, notice you have a little picture to remind you which way that thread needs to come off the bobbin. So it needs to come off the left-hand side. When you drop it in, you want to make sure that the thread, and one way to do it is actually just to let it flip over the back side and drop into that little groove that's about at 630. When it drops in there, sometimes I'll put my finger on the bobbin so I can pull on this thread a little bit and it clicks in. You might hear it, you might not, but that's all you have to do. There's just kind of that 630 to 730 little groove and the thread comes out that direction. You'll know you're correct because it will lay evenly with this line, this groove in the throat plate, because in the back there is a cutter. So if you bring the thread towards you, it cuts the thread to the perfect length. So when you go ahead and put that all back in and thread your needle, you actually don't even have to bring up the bobbin thread to stitch. You'll see that it actually pulls everything right on up. Needle stops up, so if you want to take a look, just pull it right on out. And you'll see when it is in here correctly, see that little line of thread? That is the bobbin sitting in the bobbin tension and then coming up underneath the presser foot through the little groove in the throat plate. So when that's correct, everything will look balanced. The stitch looks great on both sides, and that is exactly how you need to put in a bobbin every single time.